Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix fans and dishwasher stops after a few minutes. Overheat, drain, checks explained. Fix 1. Perform a hard reset. You just have to disconnect the power by unplugging the unit or switching off the indicator circuit breaker. Wait for 5 minutes to allow the control board memory to drain. Restore power by plugging the unit back in or flipping the breaker back on. Test the unit by running a short express or a quick cycle to check if the progress is past the first 5 minutes. Fix 2. Check for false leak sensor trip. You just have to turn off the circuit breaker for safety before starting repair. Unscrew the metal kick plate panel at the bottom of the dishwasher. Inspect the swallow plastic tray underneath for a standing water or moisture. If the moisture is present, the leak sensor has shut down the cycle. Wipe up all the water with a towel or a hair dryer on a cool setting to dry the sensor. Reassemble by putting the kick plate back on or restoring power. Test the dishwasher to ensure it is functioning properly. Fix 3. Inspect the door latch connection. Examine the plastic latch mechanism at the top center of the door. Ensure the door strikes the cabinet evenly and it is not hooked. Tighten the mounting screw on the sides if the door is laggy. Close the door firmly and listen for a distinct click. If no click is heard, the latch switch may be broken and needs replacement. Fix 4. Verify the water supply valve. Check the water supply valve under the kitchen sink is fully turned counterclockwise. Inspect the water inlet valve located behind the bottom kick plate for a electrical failure. Using a multimeter to test the inlet valve for a continuity. Replace the inlet valve if it shows no continuity. Thanks for watching.